Hi, in this app you can chat with ChatGPT 4 for free. So I'm starting the message. So you can see that this is the ChatGPT 4. If you click here, you will get ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4 for O mini, GPT 4o, GPT o1, also Gemini Pro for free, and the others AI. So if you want to chat with GPT 4o, then select, or GPT 01, then select and done. Now this is the selected model. Now you can chat with the ChatGPT for free. Also, you can chat with PDF or summarize your PDF by clicking here. You can upload your PDF file and summarize and analyze the document that you upload. Also, you can generate art here. Just select or type anything that will generate image for you for free. Now you can see that it generated a cool looking image for you and me. Also there was 4 options. You can select what you like. So this is it. Also there was character AI. You can chat with pre-generated character from there. There was Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. You can chat with those type of pre-generated person. So this is it. This app download link in the video description below. Check it out. Also you will get all the paid or free AI model here for free. So that's it. Thanks for watching. The app download link in that video description below. Check it out. If you have any problem in downloading, I attach a how to download tutorial, so watch it and do the download and install. I hope you will enjoy the app. Thank you.